amazing city, Kuala Lumpur. We just came out of India.
How can you not be amazed by this city? Every different corner has its own theme.
In Sydney on Pitt Street. It looks exactly like that. We just came across the corner and we see Italy right in front of us.
Wow!
Wow, it's unbelievably beautiful, every corner.
Let's go have a beautiful walk with us in this beautiful city. We're always in a good mood when we are walking around in Kuala Lumpur because it's just amazing. The views makes you happy, and the weather. It's not very hot, it's not very cold. It's kind of happy weather.
Hey, look at this.
Oh, there is a cat
The
here.
kitty.
Leah is giving water to the cat because apparently she thinks the cat is hot. Getting hot, feeling hot.
She doesn't want to.
She walked away.
That's okay.
In KL, you always will notice that it's not very heavy with traffic. Not much motorbike, not much cars.
It's way easier to cross the road.
Everywhere there are some small restaurants like this here. They're quite clean and very affordable. So you can literally eat in the center of the city anywhere you like. Look, that's also one restaurant over there. We are looking for Bukit Nanas. It's a beautiful area. When we were passing by taxi, we saw this area and we wanted to go.
It was so green. It was like super lush green. We thought like, wow, it would be nice to have a look.
If you guys didn't know, Malaysia is actually one of the most well-known, oldest rainforest country, and also it has the biggest cave chambers in the world. So if you are looking forward to explore some caves, go to 𝗪𝗏𝗀 Cave or go around the city, you'll see a lot of luscious old rainforest.
There is a huge eco park right in the middle of the city. It's like a rainforest in the middle of the city. And the entry fee, I think, 30 ringgit. There are some activities you can walk around, you can admire some natural views, you can interact with animals. I saw there were some monkeys there.
So we started walking towards this 𝗪𝗀𝗃𝗀𝗃 something. I think this is the part of Eco Park, right?
I think so. Looks like that. It's a huge area. You can see some street art on the pavement. Took a real leaf and they just pressed it on the wet asphalt, so it became like an imprint forever.
Nice.
Creative.
There are so many of them here.
Yeah.
There's one here.
While walking around, we noticed that the environment is very clean. People really take care of the environment, they're responsible, they don't throw the rubbish around. I think it's very good quality. So look at the contrast. On one side, there is modern city with beautiful skyscrapers, and on this side, it's a tropical forest. This landscape, they covered with some plastic, so the landslides won't happen, I guess. I just have no words. It's such a contrast, beautiful city. Wish I could get that big leaf.
It's so huge.
Wow, I have no words for this city. Look, it has beautiful street art, has jungle in the middle of the city, beautiful skyscrapers.
Wow. Everything is so amazing in the city. We are walking around an area called Leboh Ampang, and in this area there are like a lot of Indian restaurants and shops around.
You can find authentic South Indian cuisine here. I can even smell the Indian incense burning.
Oh, nice. Hello. So if you are really looking forward to get some Indian stuff food, groceries,
Souvenirs.
or
Clothes.
clothing. Yeah, you can come to Leboh Ampang in Kuala Lumpur. It's absolutely a mini India here.
Amazing city, Kuala Lumpur. We just came out of India, you can say, and we landed in Sydney on Pitt Street. It looks exactly like that.
It exactly looks like Sydney.
Blows my mind.
How can you not be amazed by this city? Every different corner has its own theme. Somewhere it looks like Egypt, somewhere it looks like India, somewhere it looks like
Sydney, Australia.
somewhere it looks like Bangkok. It's just amazing. Tell me why she is laughing.
We just came across the corner and we see Italy right in front of us.
Wow, this is not believable. It looks like Italy now.
Yeah, these Italian vibes. Come have a look. I hear the beautiful sound of azan. I feel like I'm on Middle East right now. I'm so happy.
Now it's time to explore the city even more, even further. What do you say?
Every step amazes me. If every corner is different, you feel like you're going from one country to another one within few minutes.
It's just breathtaking. I'm so happy to walk around. I think you just need a lot of time if you're coming to Kuala Lumpur. Make sure you have at least 2 to 3 weeks so you can explore the city properly, because every suburb has its own theme.
Don't be in a rush, take your time, take walks, look around, explore things. You know, like when you play computer game and you try to see every single corner, the city is like that. There are many things to explore. Welcome to Kuala Lumpur Central Market. Wow, such a beautiful drink.
Leah is checking a skirt for herself.
It's very nice.
Very nice.
Okay, thank you.
Let's explore the building. We are at Central Market and it looks interesting already.
Wow, such beautiful lights. Turkish lights, right? How much is this?
2070.
2000.
For one?
Yeah. For one set.
Oh, for one whole
This
set.
is a set.
It's 2070.
2017. For the whole set, it's
It's okay, it's good.
price. This one is 850.
850 ringgit.
Smaller, yeah. So beautiful. You know, if I had a palace, I would definitely buy it. For my palace.
Sadly, you don't have a palace. So there is a perfume shop. I'm getting a tiny, small sample. Oh, no, that's too big. I need very small, tiny.
Like a tester.
Tester.
Small tester.
Very woody.
These are oils. Oh, this is nice. It smells like rose. Good bag. Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur.
See, these are all handmade, right? Very beautiful.
Malaysia.
Wow.
This kind of butterflies. Oh, this kind of butterflies, they live in Malaysia. And this one as well. Oh, this
The
is
local.
so gorgeous. Oh my god. I see in this market there are a lot of artists selling their products. Here they sell some bracelets, we saw some bags, handmade bags, belts, vases, crafts, many interesting things.
We are checking out some durian products.
I think these are durian cakes. They're
Looks interesting.
this heavy one. There's a lot of durian cake inside it. I can try a sample of dodol, mama dodol mini cup.
These are too big. These are jaggeries. Gula Melaka, they are selling here as well. Jaggeries. That's also Gula Melaka, but so big. Very famous, right?
We
Very
like
famous.
It up in a mixture with some milk. Tastes so good. Coffee.
Coffee, we do need coffee, but a small packet.
Does smell like coffee.
We are very big drinker of coffees, so checking out some coffees here.
But in our Airbnb we don't have any coffee machine.
Yeah, so we can't buy those.
But it smells so nice like coffee right there. There are different blends. This one, very dark one. 250 gram, 8.9
8 ringgit?
Yeah, 8.9 ringgit, 250 gram. It comes in sachets, so it's easier. I think we can maybe get this one.
Oh, it's charcoal flavor as well. Wow,
Yeah.
charcoal roast.
Cool.
That's cool. Let's get that.
Let's get that. Two different ones.
We are checking out Malaysian noodle.
Cheesy? I don't want cheesy one. This is chicken one, ayam bakar. Sounds
Yeah.
very good. Look, it's fire. Get this one. I want one with shrimp one. Oh,
Shrimp?
tom yum flavor. I like tom yum flavor.
All
You
right,
want
let's
tom
get
yum
this
or do
too.
you want
Yeah,
this one?
I want pedas gilar. Look, you can actually get noodles like that. Wow, everything is inside it. It's like you have been to restaurant already. So cool. For 25 ringgit.
I'm getting this too. Meat savory curry powder. I'm gonna cook at home. Not here. I'm gonna get back. It was 22.90.
What did you get?
I got a pack of coffee, some sachets. I got some
Noodles?
2 noodles and 2 packets of some powder, which you can use for cooking, like meat or chicken.
On the second floor of the Central Market, there is an interesting museum about the history of Central Market.
2020.
We learned a lot of interesting things there. And the entry is totally free.
We just came out of the museum. We learned a lot about the KL Central Market story.
So in 1985, it was already 50-year-old and it used to be a wet market. They
Right.
refurbished it, they renovated it, they made it a center of KL culture and
Yeah, it's-
arts.
Exploring the Central Market and the history installation. Now we finally found where 3D Art Gallery Museum is. It's right here.
Art House Gallery, and it says free entry.
It's free entry.
Let's go.
As soon as you get to the Art House Gallery, King Jong-un. So we actually couldn't go inside with the camera because they do not allow filming here. But yeah, if you're interested to go without camera, more than welcome. They're nice.
And there is 3D Illusion Museum upstairs. Let's go check out there.
Yeah, so inside we have 36 handmade painting pictures. You can take picture with the painting, and also we have this animation is called augmented reality. So we have the painting inside, all is a handmade painting.
And we are the first in Malaysia to have this museum come with the art gallery.
So
You
in
need
case
to come tomorrow or in the morning I can open just for you.
so much hospitable. I cannot believe like she explained for almost 40 minutes.
Yeah,
And
she explained everything
what
about
is-
what is in this museum, how
Yeah.
they got the collection, who got it, where from.
Even they got some collection from Papua New Guinea, which is near Australia. So she was excited to explain that as well. Guys, it's free. You can come here and you can enjoy all these things, all the artworks and the history. But all you need to know, do not film for the copyright reasons. It's raining right now, so keep your umbrella with you all the time. It's very sunny or it's raining. So yeah,
Umbrella is a good friend.
so walk through this park. Very beautiful.
Oh, look at that.
Wow, it's so beautiful here. Wow, it's insane. What is that? What? Look at the mist.
It's like a waterfall.
Yeah. So that's Jamek Mosque here. So we'll be probably going there for the little bus.
What an amazing day it was. When we just got out of home, we could not even imagine that in one day we are going to travel so many countries, and it's only possible in Kuala Lumpur. Because this city is so diverse, anywhere you go, you feel different vibe. If you haven't been to Kuala Lumpur, you must come here to see it with your own eyes and experience it for yourself. It's amazing, it will blow your mind.